The feeling of being in the lab and getting a result and knowing that I'm one of the first people in the world to have this result, it's a really liberating feeling. The research projects provide a great hands-on opportunity to apply what you learn in the classroom to try to solve real-world problems. It's a great opportunity to be able to connect with professors and be able to present your research at national conferences or at the state capitol as I have. I performed cutting-edge research under the guidance of Dr. Gabriel LeBlanc. We worked with 3D printing and chemistry to try to make more sustainable practices. We're trying to create high surface area electrodes, which will allow us to create chemicals using electricity far cheaper and far more efficient than current methods. It's interesting to me because it's a big step in sustainability. Using the 3D printed stuff, we can drastically reduce the amount of chemical waste that are produced as a result of many of these reactions. We also have a lot of customization using the 3D printed electrodes, so that allows for other scientists to be able to recreate our work really easily. Outside of college, I am a volunteer robotics mentor for Memorial Middle School. They host an after-school program, and I come over and help teach the kids science-based and STEM activities and hopefully inspire them to become the next generation of scientists and engineers. I'm planning on going to graduate school to continue my studies in chemistry. I'd like to get a PhD looking at doing material science and going into the battery industry. My dream job would be a battery chemist to be part of the scientists working to make better battery technology and work towards a sustainable future.